The Tortoise and the Hare. Simple English tale for beginners. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, there lived a tortoise named Timmy and a hare named Hare. Timmy was slow but steady. Hare was fast but sometimes lazy. One sunny day, Hare was bragging to all the animals. "I am the fastest animal in the forest," Hare said proudly. "No one can beat me in a race." Timmy, who was very calm and quiet, replied, "Hare, I may be slow, but I can beat you in a race." Hare laughed loudly and said, "All right, Timmy, let's race tomorrow morning." The next day, all the animals gathered to watch the race. The fox was the judge. "Ready, set, go," shouted the fox. Hare zoomed off quickly and soon was out of sight. Timmy started slowly, taking one step at a time. Hare looked back and saw Timmy far behind. He thought, "I have plenty of time. I will take a nap under this tree." While Hare slept, Timmy kept moving. He didn't stop. He kept his eyes on the path and his mind on the goal. After a while, Hare woke up. He stretched and looked around. "Oh no," he said. Timmy was almost at the finish line. Hare ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. Timmy crossed the finish line first. All the animals cheered for Timmy. Hare learned an important lesson that day. "Slow and steady wins the race," said Timmy with a smile. Hare was surprised and a bit embarrassed, but he walked up to Timmy and said, "Congratulations, Timmy. You really showed me that being consistent is important. I will not underestimate anyone again." Timmy smiled and replied, "Thank you, Hare. It was a good race. You are very fast, but sometimes being slow and steady is better." From that day on, Hare and Timmy became good friends. They often reminded each other that hard work and persistence are more important than speed. Hare started to be more careful and less lazy, and Timmy continued to be steady and consistent. One day, Hare and Timmy decided to share their story with the younger animals in the forest. They wanted to teach them the important lesson they had learned. They gathered all the young animals and told them about their race. Hare said, "I used to think that being fast was the most important thing. But now I know that being fast is not enough. You also need to work hard and be consistent." Timmy added, "Yes, being slow is not a problem if you keep moving forward. Never give up and you can achieve your goals." The young animals listened carefully and learned a lot from Hare and Timmy. They started to practice being consistent and hardworking, just like Timmy. As time went on, the forest became a place where all the animals respected each other and worked hard to achieve their goals. Hare and Timmy's story was told again and again, and it inspired many animals to never give up, no matter how slow they might be. One day, a young squirrel named Sammy wanted to prove himself. He was quick but often distracted. Sammy asked Hare and Timmy for advice. Hare said, "Sammy, remember our story. Speed is good, but you must stay focused and work hard." Timmy added, "Just keep moving forward step by step. Don't let anything stop you." Sammy took their advice to heart. He practiced running and staying focused. He no longer stopped to play when he had tasks to complete. Sammy noticed he was getting better and more reliable. A few weeks later, there was another race in the forest. This time, it was between the young animals. Sammy was excited but nervous. He remembered the lessons from Hare and Timmy. The race began and Sammy ran fast. But more importantly, he stayed focused. He did not stop to play or get distracted. He kept his eyes on the path and his mind on the goal. Slowly, he started to pull ahead of the other young animals. As the finish line came into view, Sammy felt tired, but he remembered Timmy's words, "Just keep moving forward, step by step." He pushed himself and crossed the finish line first. The forest erupted in cheers again. Sammy had won. He was happy but also knew it was because he listened to good advice and worked hard. Hare and Timmy congratulated Sammy. Hare said, "You did great, Sammy. You showed everyone that focus and hard work are just as important as speed." Timmy smiled and added, "You proved that slow and steady wins the race, even if you are fast." Sammy thanked them both and promised to keep their lessons in mind. From that day on, Sammy became a role model for other young animals in the forest. He showed them that with the right attitude and effort, they too could achieve their goals. Hare and Timmy continued to share their story and inspire others. The forest thrived with animals who respected each other and valued hard work and persistence. Timmy and Hare's friendship grew stronger, and they were happy to see the positive changes in their community. And so, the story of the tortoise and the hare taught everyone that slow and steady really does win the race. It's not just about speed. It's about dedication, hard work, and never giving up. Thank you for joining us on this adventure with Timmy and Hare. We hope to see you again soon. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun stories.